स्मार्ट सिटीच्या उण्या दर्जाच्या कामांक फकत कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरूच जापसालदार असो आरोप मंत्री आणि पणजेचो आमदार मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी केला. चुकीच्या पद्दतीन काम केल्ल्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर कारवाय जावपाकूच जाय अशें येणावळ मंत्री आणि पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेराताचें म्हणणें.
As far as smart cities is concerned, the consultants आमगे आलेले who is to give the thing consultants आपण sanction करताले the payment. There was no basically departmental person, say PWD or someone. There should have been someone basically where responsibility could have been fixed. हे थोडे आता कन्सल्टंट फाटल्या दिसांनी काडलेले लोक आहा त्यो सारकें काम करूंक ना. हांव सुद्दां सांगता कन्सल्टन्सी कोणी हाडलेली ती पयले चिंता आनी इतले कन्सल्टन्साक इतले पयशे दिलेले आहा की आमचे जुवारी ब्रीज फ्री येवपाचो. I think we have got our departments in PW department. There all the other departments are there who has got basically say chief engineers are there who are knowledgeable much more than these consultants are. See, कितें action कितें घेवपाचें आहा as far as our government is concerned, we will take action if need be. If contractor has not done his duty or not, as far as he has defaulted, as far as the thing is
substandard
work is concerned, that will be taken care of. Let the smart city work be completed first. See, I am not here basically to defend the contractor. Contractor basically should be taken to task. Whoever who is doing substandard work or whoever is not basically following the quality.